From the brand known for legendary precision and unparalleled performance, come breakthrough innovations in laser tool technology. Capabilities you've never seen, productivity you've never imagined, in an entire new line of Bosch laser measuring tools. The Bosch GTL3 wall and floor covering laser breaks new ground with features never before seen in a layout tool. Its unique elevated beams project cleanly over uneven surfaces and obstructions. An industry-first 45-degree layout line enables ideal alignment and accuracy. And an innovative offset pivot point sets a clear, highly visible starting point in front of the tool. These innovative features, combined with its industry-leading accuracy and rugged durability, make the GTL3 the most effective laser on the market for floor and wall coverings. Bosch asked flooring contractors how a laser layout tool could make their work easier, and the GTL3 delivers. Its elevated lasers shine bright, clear lines up to 65 feet. Two 90-degree lines make squaring a room fast and easy. And its 45-degree line provides a valuable additional guide and an ideal orientation for diagonal layouts. When laying walls, its powerful base-mounted magnets hold firmly to our versatile quick-mount positioning plate or any available steel surface. And its rugged, dust-proof, waterproof design assures accurate use in any conditions, day after day, year after year. Affordable, versatile, and packed with game-changing new features. The GTL3 wall and floor covering laser delivers the kind of performance you only expect from Bosch. Legendary precision, unparalleled performance. Bosch laser measuring technology.
Accuracy and ease of use meet with a self-leveling laser level that can be mounted anywhere. Introducing the Hammerhead Compact Crossline Laser with adjustable mounting clamp. 3 leveling modes can be activated with a touch of a button: horizontal, plumb, or crossline. Set the level on a 1/4 inch tripod or attach it to any surface using the mounting clamp. An LED indicator changes from green to red to alert you when you have exceeded the self-leveling range. Hammerhead's compact crossline laser, the most accurate tool for any leveling project. Work smarter, Hammerhead.
This is the Bosch GLL 1P line and point laser. This is a simple hand level that projects a laser line for quick and easy level, alignment, and angular applications. It also features a point that allows for transferring level between walls and along longer distances. Setup is easy on any surface or small tripod thanks to its versatile mounting accessory. Hanging and decorating on your walls has never been so quick and easy, plus now it's a one-person job. This pocket-sized tool has a bright laser line and dot that can make any leveling or alignment job a breeze. Which means the GLL 1P is a tool that everyone should have in their toolbox or tool belt. So, this is the Bosch GLL 1P line and point laser. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch leveling tools.